My name is Manish Kumar and I am teacher of UHS Karhaiya, his first flight. Chapter this is, and I am going to discuss the summary of the chapter, his first flight. The story, his first flight, is written by Liam O'Flaherty. It is about a young seagull who is afraid to fly. All his younger siblings, despite their much shorter wings, flew fearlessly while he could not gather the courage to trust his own wings. The young seagull became sad when he saw his parents perfecting his younger siblings in the art of flying. His parents upbraided and taunted him for not even trying. They even call him a coward. The young seagull is left in isolation, and upon feeling hungry, he tries to seek the attention of his family. Only his mother, who is withering a fish in an attempt to eat, notices his son. The young seagull cries out of starvation, hoping his mother would help. On seeing his mother come to him with a fish, he gets excited, but on noticing his mother stopped midway, he gets maddened by hunger and takes a dive at fish, forgetting for a moment that he is afraid to fly. Finally, he took his first flight. All the family members celebrate his victory by cheering and dancing around him. He overcomes fear and realizes that one should defeat the defeat before the defeat defeats one. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम लोग इस चैप्टर के समरी को देखेंगे कि क्या यह चैप्टर हमें संदेश दे रहा है। तो यह चैप्टर हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट लियाम ऑफ फ्लेहर्टी द्वारा लिखा गया है। इसमें एक यंग सीगल है। सीगल एक समुद्री चिड़िया होती है जो मछली का शिकार करती है। वह है डरा हुआ है, उड़ने में वो उड़ सकने में डरता है। उसके जो भाई बहन हैं, सिबलिंग्स हैं, उसके बहुत छोटे पंख होते हुए भी वे बिना डर के आसमान में उड़े ही अपने साहस को इकट्ठा करके वो पंख फैलाकर उड़ते हैं। यंग सीगल दुखी होता है क्योंकि वह देख पाता है अपने माँ बाप को, अपने भाइयों बहन के उड़ने की कला को सुधारते हुए। उसके माँ बाप उसे डांटते हैं, उस पर व्यंग भी करते हैं कि उसे भी प्रयास करना चाहिए उड़ने का। वे लोग उसे कायर कहते हैं। यंग सीगल को अकेला छोड़ दिया जाता है। उसे भूख महसूस होती है। वह अपने परिवार का ध्यान खींचना चाहता है। उसने अपने माँ को मछली के एक टुकड़े को फाड़ते और खाने का प्रयास करते देखा। यंग सीगल भूख से तड़प रहा था और वह माँ का ध्यान खींचता है इस उम्मीद में कि शायद माँ उसे खाने को देगी। वह अपनी माँ को अपने पास आते देखता है और वह उत्तेजित होता है। वह खुश होता है। वह इस उम्मीद में खुश होता है कि अब उसे भोजन मिलेगा। लेकिन माँ रुक जाती है, बीच में ही रुकती है। भूख उसे पागल बना रही थी और वह मछली की ओर कूद पड़ता है, यह भूलते हुए कि वह उड़ने में उसे डर लगता है। वह कूद पड़ता है। अचानक ही वह देखता है कि उसने उड़ना सीख लिया है। वह अपने पंख को फैलाकर उड़ रहा है। बाकी के सदस्य परिवार के उसकी जीत पर खुशियाँ मना रहे हैं, नृत्य कर रहे हैं। वह अपने डर पर काबू करता है, अपने डर पर जीत हासिल करता है और रियलाइज करता है कि हमें उस हार को हराना चाहिए, इससे पहले कि हमारे अंदर का भय हमें हराए। Now let us see the question answer of the chapter. Question number 1. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Question mark. Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds timid than others? Do you think human baby also finds challenge to take its first step? Question mark. उत्तर है the young seagull was afraid to fly because it was his first flight and he feared of falling and hurting himself. He thought that his wings would not support him. Yes, if we are doing anything for the first time, then it is challenging and fearful. Even human baby too is afraid of taking the first step. Question number 2. Double quotation mark open. The sight of the food maddened him. Full stop, quotation close. What does this suggest? Question mark. What compelled the young seagull to fly? Question mark. The young seagull was very happy, full stop. It was this hunger that ultimately compelled him to fly. His hunger intensified when he saw his mother tearing a piece of fish that lay at her feet. He cried to her, begging her to get some food. He became excited to see his mother coming with food, but soon she stopped midway. The hunger forced him to dive at the food, resulting in his free fall downwards at the great expanse of the sea. He opened his wings now and flapped his wings. He conquered his fear and learned to fly. Question number 3, quotation open, were beckoning to him, comma, calling Shredi, full stop, quotation close. Why did the father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? Question mark. Answer is Seagull's parents had tried everything, but he was reluctant to fly due to fear of falling down. He looked at his brothers and sister but would not make any effort. That's why the whole family had left him alone and threatened to cajole him. Question number 4. Here, the question number 4 is asking about a particular experience. The question is asking that whether we had such experience as the seagull had. Have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Question mark. Discuss this in pair. Yes, I had a similar experience while learning to ride a bicycle. In my initial attempts, I fell down and developed a fear of cycling. My parents' support and encouragement and cajoling developed my confidence and overcome fear. I learned to cycle. Finally, what happened? I learned to cycle. Question number 5. In the case of a bird flying, it seems a natural act and a foregone conclusion. This is a long question, so I have written few lines of the question, and then the final word is possibility of failure, question mark. The question is there in the uh, textbook, so I thought that the answer is more important than the question. So leaving behind the question, let us see the answer of the question. We face some problem in the initial stage while learning a new skill. Due to fear of failure, we hesitate to perform a task. In case of seagull, parents cajoled him to fly. In my case, I was cajoled by my father to learn cycling. I learned cycling as I overcame my fear. So question number 4 and 5, they are asking about the experience, the similar experience that we had in our life, uh, as experienced by the seagull. So these are the questions that demands personal experience, personal touch. So my experience may be different from the experience of the students. So you are supposed to write your own personal experience. Thank you very much. Now students, please go through the question answer and the summary of the chapter. If you have any further problem, you may feel free to consult me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.